Hello, friends. Good day to you all, wherever you might be right now across the world. I'm very happy to be here again today. I welcome you all to this channel. This is Lasogenic Talk. All right, in today's video, I will be talking on how I am making money online with Sunpower. I'll be talking on how I am making money online with Sunpower and best way to earn online. Best way to earn online. Okay, many people they have different opinions and different experiences when it comes to online investments. But I want to tell you the fact and I want to tell you confidently that there are lots of opportunities flying around there. There are a lot of opportunities online. And also, as these opportunities are flying around, there are several risks attached to them. When you come to online investment, you just need to know that everything has its own risk. And also, even if you are engaging in physical businesses, physical activities, we all know that there are some certain level of risk that you need to take for you to survive. So, if any unforeseen circumstance can befall physical investments, then I believe that online investment is even more vulnerable because you may not have the full idea of who you are trading with or full you may not have the full idea of where your money is going into. You will just be anticipating and believing that your money is coming back to you with your ROI, that is return on investment. But I will be telling you the reason why I personally chose Sunpower in this video. So all you need to do is just to stay tuned and watch this video to the very end so that you can have the full grasp of the information I'm about to relate to you guys. But before I go deeper in this video, I want you to know one thing, that this video is brought to you courtesy of this channel called Lasogenic Talk. Okay, Lasogenic Talk is a channel that is created to share with you my ideas on online investment platform. So here I review online investment platform and I give you my sincere recommendation so that it can serve as a basis for your whole financial decision. Because here in Lasogenic Talk, I only give you financial education because financial education is highly needed for financial transformation. But you are expected to do your own due diligence research before you take your own decision. So that is the reason why I always say that you need to be responsible for your action. So this channel is for financial education and not for financial advice. But I'm not scaring you, but these are ways whereby I have been making money online for myself. I'm not scaring you that your money is 100% secured. I'm not saying that your money is 100% secured, but I just need to tell you the fact that everything in life is full of risk and you need to take the risk, and you not taking risk is even riskier. So these are few ways whereby I personally have been making money online, and I think it's really worth sharing with you guys. So if also you have decided to take the decision that I took, then you will also make money as I am doing right now. I'm not saying that I never make a loss. Yes, I've done that several occasions, but it can never stop me. It can never stop me. So you falling once doesn't mean you can't rise back and continue with your journey till you get to your destination. So you just need to know that life is full of ups and downs. Okay, so if you are new on this channel, please, I want you to subscribe. And for the returning subscribers, I really appreciate you. Thanks for your comments, thanks for your participation, thanks for your time, thanks for the support. So if you are here to subscribe, kindly do that and click on the notification bell so that you'll be continually aware of the next updates, for you not to miss out on any of the financial educational content being shared here on frequent occasion. And if after you have watched this video you found it to be very meaningful, useful and helpful, then please don't hesitate to like and share with your friends and family. Give it the widest publicity that you think it deserves, because this information can be what many has been waiting for their financial turnaround, for their financial liberation. And you know that without financial education, without the right information, then there will never be a positive transformation. Okay, so do the work of evangelism. Give it the widest publicity that you think it deserves. All right, so back to the business of the day. We are considering how I am making money online with Sunpower, best way to earn online. For that reason, I will be taking you straight to the Sunpower app to show you how it has been going on over there. So this is the app right here. One thing that you need to do to get started is you need the registration link, and don't worry, I get you covered. Just check below this video, you are going to see the description box. Just check the description box, then you will surely find the registration link. Get registered and keep your login details safe and secured so that nobody will tamper with your account. Okay, this is how it works. So let me give you a brief explanation of what Sunpower is. Sunpower is a company. The Sunpower, as the name implies, they are into solar energy equipment, as they've said, solar energy equipment. And you know that one thing is, when there is a problem and whenever there's a solution to a problem, making money is inevitable. In this part of the world, especially in Africa, Nigeria to be precise, we are having issue with power supply. We are having epileptic power supply. So whenever there is a solution to this problem, making money will surely be inevitable. Okay, so now solar panels, solar equipment, they are here to replace uh the epileptic power supply. They are here to provide us 247 power supply. So by so doing, people are investing heavily into solar equipment, in which Sun Power company is also one of the jokers. So this is an opportunity for you to invest indirectly into solar energy equipment. So whenever you are investing with Sun Power company, that means you are indirectly investing into solar energy equipment, and you'll be getting money on daily basis. And so this is how it goes, and that is what the company is all about. So they are investing into solar energy equipment. As you can see here, let me take you through some of the products. So this is purchase all. So we have the Cheetah HC68M, the Tiger Pro. All these are they are solar equipment that you can buy, that you can invest into. You can invest into all the solar equipment to earn you money on daily basis. It's not that you are buying them physically, but you are investing into them through Sunpower company. Okay, so after you've registered, the next thing for you to do is to fund your account. But before you fund your account, you need to know one thing. You need to know the actual investment. You need to know the actual equipment that you are going for, and you need to know the profit, that is the return on investment on that particular equipment that you want to invest in. So the first one here is the Cheetah HC68M. It cost only 88,000 naira, and here you'll be earning 11 naira 50 kobo in 1 hour. 11 naira 50 kobo in 1 hour. Then the next one is Tiger Pro 79HC. It costs 250,000 naira, and you'll be earning 520,000 naira per hour. The next one is Tiger B120. It costs 50,000 naira, and you are earning 95 naira per hour. Followed by the Cheetah HC72M. It costs 10,000 naira, and you are earning 12 naira 30 kobo per hour. We also have the Tiger Bifacial. It costs 30,000 naira. We have the Tiger Monofacial. It costs 90k. We have the Tiger Pro 72HC Bifacial. It costs 200k. Tiger Pro 72HC Monofacial 500k. And we also have the Tiger Neo 60HC, which costs 800,000 naira, and here you are earning 1,350 naira per hour. So let's do some calculation here. Let's assume you go for that of the Tiger Neo 60HC, which costs 800,000 naira, and you are earning 1,050 naira per hour. So let's say that in 24 hours you are earning 1,350 per hour times 24, that is 32,400 on daily basis. Then multiply by 30 days, you are making 972,000 naira in a month. So that means in a month you've already earned more than your capital minus 800,000 naira. Sorry, 800,000. So you have extra 172,000 naira profit after you've gotten your capital, and this is how you'll be getting this for the next 12 months, according to how the company has explained in their in the information provided to us. So you will be earning this on monthly basis, and you can withdraw your money anytime. Whenever you have up to 1,000 naira in your account, you can withdraw it. So this is the sweet part of this company. You can withdraw as low as 1,000 naira. So let me show you some of my withdrawal, and the withdrawal is very, very swift, very, very fast. Actually, it is stated that within 24 hours you get a withdrawal, but I am getting it in 30 minutes. So you can see that this company, they are really into business. So in getting, so I have withdraw 5,000 rand twice, and out of the 5,000 rand, their own percentage, which is 20%, will be deducted. So I have my money in my account within few minutes. So that is how it has been working. And right now I have 1,890 that I can also withdraw. So you can go for any of the package depending on your own financial strength. So don't say that because I'm having a three equipment, because I bought three equipment here. Let me show you my equipment. So my device, just need to click on my device. After you have, okay, let me explain this. So after you've chosen the package or the equipment to invest in, then you need to come down here. You need to come down to me. So click on me, then you click on my wallet. Click on my wallet, then you click on recharge. So when you click on recharge, that particular amount that you want to invest on, maybe 10,000, 38,000, 200,000 to 2 million naira here, you just click on it. When you click on it, then you click on recharge. So when you click on recharge, you will be directed to the payment gateway, and you are going to make a bank transfer, or you use your ATM card to make the deposit. And immediately after the confirmation, it will reflect in your account. It will reflect in your account here. You are going to see it here. It will reflect here. All right. So after it has reflected here, the next thing for you to do is to come back to the purchase all. Come back to the purchase all down here. So when you click on the purchase all, then you now go for that actual equipment that you have deposited for. So assuming that you deposited, let's assume you deposited 300. The let's say assuming you deposited 200,000 for the Tiger Pro 72 HC bifacial, then you just click on buy. So when you click on buy, then you confirm. So after you have confirmed, then it will show in your my device. Cancel, I don't have up to that. So it will appear here in my device. It will appear here. So when you click on my device, it will show you all the equipment that you bought. So here I'm having three equipment. I have the Cheetah HC72. I have the Cheetah HC68. I have the Cheetah HC72M. I have two of that. And I also have that of Cheetah HC68M. So I have three equipment now. I have three equipment. The first one, Experience on Power, is just free. So whenever you open an account, you'll be given this to test run for few days, and you can also withdraw the money that you've gotten here, just to show that the company is really working. All right, so that is how it goes. So immediately you purchase an equipment, then you'll be making money on hourly basis. So once you have made any money, then you can come to my device here. You can see, you just click on receive. So you just click on receive, and it will be added to your balance. Click on receive, and all the money in the receive, it will be added to your balance. So let me go back to my balance to see how much I'm having now. You can see right now I'm now having 1,955. That is what I'm having now. So what I've earned so far today is 1,404. So based on my own equipment that I bought. If you buy that of bigger, if you buy any bigger equipment, then you can be making nothing less than 30,000 naira on daily basis. If you go for the biggest package, you're making 32,000 naira on daily basis, and in a month you are making over 900,000 naira. So many people have been making money through this, and in which I personally am a living witness. So this is how I have been making money online, and I think it's really worth sharing with you guys. So Sunpower is a way whereby I have been making money online. You can also do your own research about it to know if it's what you can do, but I need to tell you confidently that this is online investment, and I have been making money through this investment. And one thing you also need to do is you need to diversify diversify, because that is what I always preach. I'm not doing only Sunpower, I'm also doing other businesses online. So I just need to diversify whenever I'm making money in one of them, in case of the incapacities. This is where I'm going to stop for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm very happy to have you here. Please and please don't forget to subscribe if you are yet to do that. Click on the notification bell, share with your friends and family, and comment. Your comments will be highly appreciated. Let's know your opinion. Let's know your view about the video, about the explanation, or if you have any question, just let me know. I'm going to reply you as soon as possible. Till my next video, have a wonderful day ahead. I love you all. Bye for now. God bless you all.